My name's Carl. I'm Contracts Manager at Wheeler Roofing. We supply and install new roofs and the construction of timber works, etc. Well, at the moment we've got 2 lorries, one of them being the crane lorry. Keep both of them in the shield to keep dry and out of the elements to keep them running more efficiently. Initially we were storing them in the actual unit, but we're limited for space in there, so we only could fit one of them in there. So building the shield made it more efficient to get both of them out of the element. We've also got woodworking equipment in there, so even on a wet day the carpenter can keep working and keeps him dry. The large container opens internally into the shield, so we've got secure storage in there. It's got natural light coming in, so we've got a large working area that's well lit as well through the day. The speed of it going up was pretty good for us because we could just keep rolling and it didn't affect us. Yeah, definitely would recommend it to other businesses. We've had a number already come round to have a look and express interest in having one on their site as well.